23 people have been killed in a fire that broke out in a Bhubaneswar hospital late last night. At least 36 have been injured in the blaze that destroyed an entire floor of the SUM hospital in Odisha. The fire started in the first floor. That's where the ICU ward is located in the hospital. Initial reports suggest that it possibly broke out because of an electric short circuit. 50 beds and the entire first floor have been completely gutted in the blaze. A few people were also reportedly seen jumping from the higher floors to escape that massive fire. Rescued patients have been moved to other hospitals. They are currently at the Capital Hospital and the AMRI Hospital. An inquiry has also been ordered into the fire by the state government. They will be looking into whether there were any sort of lapses in the safety guidelines on the hospital's part. Being a private institute, the probe is likely to also focus on the hospital's fire safety norms, the exit procedures, and if they were not well prepared for a blaze of this scale. The state government has ordered a high-level probe by the Director of Medical Education and Training into the incident.
तो सोम हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट थे। जस्ट 2 मिनट हुआ उनको छोड़ के उनके बेटा नीचे आए थे तो आग लग गया, ऐसा हो गया। उसके बाद वो दौड़ के गए तो पूरा दरवाज़ा बंद है, कोई खोलता नहीं छोड़ता नहीं, वहीं पे ख़त्म हो गए थे।
41:41 पे इसका खबर मिला कि सम हॉस्पिटल भुवनेश्वर में आग लगा है करके। तो जैसे ही खबर मिला तुरंत हम लोगों का फायर सर्विस का 100 ऑफिसर और जवान मिला के और 7 गाड़ी में तुरंत आके जो लोग यहाँ पे थे वो जहाँ पे आग लगा था वो डायलिसिस और आईसीयू के पास आग शुरू हुआ था तो वहीं से उन लोगों को हम लोग शिफ्ट किए थे। बाकी पेशेंट को भी बाद में हम लोग सेफली इवैक्यूएट कर दिए थे उनको।
About 100 odd people have been admitted to various hospitals in the city, including AIIMS, Amri, Apollo, Kalinga, Vivekanand, KIMS, like that. Different hospitals, different people have been admitted. We have been in constant touch with them. In SCB also people are there. So we are in constant touch with the hospital authorities. In most places the people are stable but critical.
Meanwhile, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik visited the patients who were rescued. He was also greeted by groups of protesters at this spot. The Chief Minister has ordered a high-level probe into the tragedy. It has also assured all possible help to those injured.
Deeply grieved by this tragic incident. The government will see that all the costs for the injured will be looked after, and I've ordered an RDC inquiry into this whole matter.
We've got Union Health Minister JP Nadda with us on the phone line now. Sir, what are the arrangements that have been made for the people who have survived this horrific tragedy?
As I was informed about this incident by our Petroleum Minister, Shri Parmendra Pradhan, and as instructed by Honorable Prime Minister, immediately we got in touch with the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar, and our doctors, our specialists, our director, and all senior doctors and specialists were there. Approximately 25 to 30 patients are there. We are giving them the best possible medical support and help, and we have asked the state government also that if they would like to send some of the patients who are serious to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, we will take care accordingly. We are in touch with the government of Odisha, the health secretary. Our officials are in touch with them, and we have extended all possible support to them.
Sir, considering that most of these people were already under critical care, is AIIMS equipped to take them all in?
Yes, we are equipped, and we have all facilities there. Our casualty is well equipped, and our director is there to take care.
Let's go across to Indrajit Kundu, who's joining us with the latest information on the story. Indrajit, first of all, of course, as we discussed earlier, there are several people who are of course questioning whether there was any lapses on the part of the hospital. Secondly, if you could give us an update on the condition of those who were injured in this particular fire. We understand several of them are in a critical condition now.
Well, that's right, because Akshita, those who were there in the ICU and in the dialysis unit where the fire actually originated, they were already in a critical condition. Now, at least 22 to 23 patients, as we are given to understand at this point in time, have perished in this tragedy. And there are several others who were eventually evacuated. They were admitted in 2 other hospitals, the AMRI hospital and the Capital Hospital, some of whom are said to be in a critical condition and are being treated. And as you heard the Central Union Minister also stating that the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which has its branch in Bhubaneswar, that has also been opened up for such patients to be taken in. So there are helplines that have been opened for the family members of such patients. But at the same time, as far as the firefighting norms and safety measures that are in place are concerned, it's a huge question mark on this private hospital.
Yes.
And therefore, the Odisha government has ordered a departmental inquiry, which is being headed by the Director of Medical Education, and it also has the Fire Safety Officer and the Khurda District Collector as its members. So they will be looking into what were the measures that were in place and whether there were any lapses on part of this private medical facility.
All right, Indrajit, thanks for joining us with those details. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest updates on this tragedy. At this point, the government has ordered a probe. We will be able to get you details as to whether there was any sort of negligence on the part of hospital, were there lapses as far as fire safety norms are concerned. That's a question that can only possibly be answered after the committee probes into this particular incident. In fact, for all our viewers who didn't really see what happened yesterday, here's a quick recap of how the events unfolded, what exactly happened last night that led to the death of 23 people inside this hospital. Here's more.
Scores of lives lost. Dozens more injured. An entire floor destroyed. Fire tenders rushed to the spot, were met with a horrific sight. Initial reports say the fire broke out because of a short circuit.
जस्ट 2 मिनट हुआ उनको छोड़ के उनके बेटा नीचे आए थे तो आग लग गया, ऐसा हो गया, वहीं पे खत्म हो गए थे.
Did the hospital meet the required fire safety standards? Were there any glaring lapses? These are the questions the inquiry committee hopes to answer, and that families of victims hope will be answered. Bureau Report, India Today.